Hello guys, to all my viewers, this is returning back from Goa to Hyderabad by train. I managed to capture some lush green moments, the picturesque backdrop. Please take a look. We are passing through Hubli, Gadag, Bellary, Hosapet. So this is a train journey from Goa, which leaves to Hyderabad from Vasco de Gama. It's called the Vasco de Gama Express. It's really a beautiful vegetation, the backdrop with, the lovely monsoon. Everything is green. You have the banana plantations, the rice farming, the paddy farming, the lentil, the coconut trees. You get to see the wind turbines. I came across and captured a few moments of these wind turbines just after Gadak, which I guess produces the electricity to all the villages around there. And I could see hundreds of them, and they are a sight to see, very picturesque. So the train was going right around them, and I could capture those few moments looking at these wind turbines, really marvelous structures and engineering which produces energy to the transformers, electrical transformers. I guess you should all pass through these junctions to witness this in the daytime. These are picturesque backgrounds, lovely backgrounds with, the low-lying mountains, the cloudy weather. Can you see these lovely rice fields, green rice fields, a green carpet amongst the lush green backdrop of coconut trees and vegetation. Very soothing to watch, very picturesque. I can just imagine how cool the weather must be out there. Just look at that. You can just see a green carpet for miles together. These moments you can capture only in the month of monsoon, and after that you'll have, this winters and spring where you might not be able to get this much of greenery around. But these are very soothing to watch, to know, and get to travel around these places. It was a delightful, lengthy train journey which I had, which is, been about 17.5 hours from Goa to Hyderabad, reaching early in the morning at 3 a.m. Just look at those lovely hills. And the wind sweeping away those palm trees, swaying away those palm trees, and waving to the train. It's just awesome to watch. My train happened to slow down here, and then start to pick up speed again. काफ़ी अच्छा नज़ारा है देखने के लिए, बहुत खूबसूरती है। ये बनाना ट्री का प्लांटेशन, चावल के प्लांटेशंस, रागी के प्लांटेशंस, गेहूँ के प्लांटेशंस, काफ़ी सारा वेजिटेशन इस बैकग्राउंड सीन में है। उम्मीद करता हूँ आप लोग एंजॉय करिए और देखिए, लाइक, सब्सक्राइब और शेयर करिए। ये एग्रीकल्चर फील्ड्स का जो नज़ारा है, काफ़ी खूबसूरती है हवाओं के साथ। इट्स रियली लवली। So I will leave you with these images to capture your imagination. So when you travel, you need to capture these green carpets of vegetation around the villages you pass by during a journey in the train. Not everybody captures these, but if you are a nature lover and a traveler, I guess you can vlog on these subjects too. So thank you for watching my channel. I would look forward to show you all some more vlogs in the future to come. Stay tuned till then, and please subscribe to my channel, leave your reviews, and I shall get back to you. Thank you for watching and staying with me this period of the vlog. Thank you so much.